Hello and welcome to today's video. And in today's video, I'm going straight to the point to teach you about position sizing. Alright, position sizing and how you can utilize this in risking properly while trading. Some of you actually enter positions with lot sizes that you're actually not supposed to enter with because you're risking too much and you don't know what to trade with properly because you don't know how to position size. Alright, and you don't know how to position size properly. So basically, this video is going to help you understand it. By the way, this is a setup working with this concept that I taught on our YouTube community. So we're currently waiting for it to play out and we make the market with ETH/USDT. If I proceed, remember that this video is brought to you by Pips like X and our WhatsApp number is +234 8055369615. And I, Investor Tio, I'm your host for today. This video is available on our YouTube community. So do to definitely subscribe and turn on notification bell to get more learning content. Like and share this video and join our Telegram community of job free trading setups and our communities on X so you can actually make more profits too. All right, so with that said, let's concentrate on position sizing. I'm going to be deleting this right now, or let's just leave that there. Let me pick another long tool. All right, so I'm going to be deleting this right now. I've marked out where my SL, my entry point, and my TP zones are. So I'm just going to be deleting this and show you from scratch. So this is it, showing you from scratch. We already know our model, the break of structures directly, the liquidity sweep, and then we're entering based on the order block that we seem valid. All right, so basically these are long to directly. We're going to be longing from here, the market, when the market gets here. Our stop loss is directly beneath the order block. I like using half of the order block plus the order block or thereabouts as my stop loss, and then targeting the assignment liquidity or the buy side liquidity. All right, you get the point. So basically, this is how we actually target these zones to know where our profit zones are. But the question right now is when you're entering the market to trade, what are you going to use as your lot size? So this is where this aspect comes in handy. You can see when I click on this, you see something called quantity. All right, but let me explain this properly. Something called targets 261.60. That's the amount of move it made here. So from this entry zone to this point, we actually moved $261 because it's on ETH/USDT. All right. The opening price directly is this price over here, 3,824.79. That's our opening price. Our take profits is at the top, 4,086.39. And if we calculate the difference, it's exactly this amount. All right, this amount over here. So that's the difference directly. So basically, it's showing you the targets, the entry zone, and then stop loss. This is what I'm risking directly. In this trade, I'm risking 1.43% of ETH to get 6.84% of ETH. And this way, leverage calculation, position sizing become really important. So this is what's going to happen over here. All right. So if I want to take this trade on Bybit, on Binance, on Bitget, or any other exchange, in fact, even if you want to use it on Bright Funded, right, or any exchange you want to work with, you understand that your quantity plays a major role. So here I will go to Bybit, right, on Bybit, and where I'll be asked for quantity, I'll be using ETH. I won't use USDT. I would love to show you this on Bybit, but Bybit is not accepting me to show you right now, logging in on my laptop. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be using Bright Funded to explain. But Bright Funded has a fixed leverage of 1:5. So hopefully you get it properly. And when you check Bybit, if it's not clear, I'll use a phone to show you a mobile version of it so you can get it. My goal right now is to make sure you understand it. All right. So yeah, this is the quantity over here. This quantity is actually going off because I'm clicking on it. So let me draw this arrow there before I click on it and show you. So this quantity is 0.915. All I have to do is to go to my Bybit account and put 0.915 in the quantity column. All right. I think I'll do this. I will actually screen record this aspect and then add it so I can get it most likely at one end of the screen. All right. Yeah, on my Bybit account, you see I'm on the future segment already on Bybit. All right. And I'm trading Bybit with Bybit, the leverage of 10x here, which I will teach you how to change shortly. So basically, all I have to do directly is to check the quantity on our trading view is on the laptop. Remember, I'm showing laptop and the phone at the same time. The quantity here is 0.915. So I go to my phone and I'll place 0.915 there. Before I place that, I want to check our limit order. So I use limits. So let me assume you know. I trade with limit orders, not market execution. So I'll convert it and place on limits. If yours on market, place on limits. And then change here from cross margin if it's on cross or if it's on portfolio margin to isolated margin. Isolated margin enables you risk only what you want to lose on that trade as your entire margin. So you don't lose more than that. All right. So isolated margin over there. So my order price From here, I can see the other price is written over here, and that is 3.8. Let me show you. 3.82. That's 3,824.79. 3,824.79. So this is my ancient price. And quantity I'm willing to trade with directly. So I'm going to work with the quantity. What's quantity? This is quantity over here, 0.915. 0. So I place 0.915 over here. Now, placing 0.915 can't enter, so it stops at 2 dps. I'm dropping it at 0.91. All right. Now, the next aspect is this slider. Please don't move this slider. If you move the slider, you're spoiling the whole thing. Well, just leave it as quantity and put 0.91. So we have our TP zone and SL zone. You can place your TP and place your stop loss, okay, with this concept over here. So our stop loss here is 3770.13. So here you put your stop loss 3770.13, and our TP here is 4,086.39. So 4,086.39. So this definitely means that when I lose, all right, I'll be losing the expected loss of $49.74, and when I win 238. Well, this is not clear. This is not what I want to lose. All right. I want to lose a very, very small amount. In fact, I never deposit into this account when creating this video. So let's say I want to use the entire $2 here as my amount to lose. All right. So what I will have to do right now and here is to come to my laptop. So pay attention to the laptop right now. Click on this position 2, right click it. All right, come down to settings. Okay, so the $2 directly, I'll assume that that's $2 for my $100 capital in quotes. So I'll put my account size here as $100. All right, leave the lot size as 1. You leave, take the risk to 2%. We want to risk $2, right? Take the risk to 2%. Remember, this video is created that I didn't even plan to show you phone screen, all right? But I just want to show you so I can understand it properly, all right? Entry price the same, take profit price, stop loss price same. So what you do is just click on OK. You will see that the quantity here will change automatically to 0.037. All right, so I'll come back here to my quantity and change my quantity to 0.037. So you can see when I was using this initially, it was showing stop loss was around $49, right? And the reason why that was around $49 was that's my perfect stop loss amount that I was willing to risk. So reducing it directly to a normal trading account for someone that's risking $2 per trade, right, on a $100 account, you clearly see that you just use 0.03 there. Your stop loss, your TP and SL directly. So I'm going to place my TP again so you can clearly see it. My TP 4086.39, and my SL over here is going to be 3829 points. My SL over here is going to be 3770.13. So I'll place my TP and SL directly. I'll click on confirm. Another interesting part that some people have issue with is the aspect of leverage, right? Leverage. Let me show you where the leverage is. This aspect leverage. Some people don't know what to use as a leverage. Here's 10x. So let me show you how to calculate leverage directly with my screen. So I'm going to be moving out, click on my calculator to explain from here from my laptop. So here we have 10x, right, as our leverage, right? So this is what you do. This is what you do. Let me see if I can pin this to my screen. It's not possible. So right, let's work with this. All right, we can clearly see from these charts over here that our stop loss is 54.66 points, and it means we are risking to, if we lose, we are losing 1.43% off the move of this currency pair. So 54.66, that's dollars, is actually 1.43% move in loss, right? If it hits our stop loss. That's what we're going to do here. 1.43% is what we're looking at. So you do 100 divided by 1.43, right? You get what? 69.93. So what you go to do right now is to click 69.93 as a leverage, right? 69.93 as a leverage, 69.93 as a leverage. And once you use 69.93 as a leverage, click on save, right? Click on OK. Now, once you've done that as a leverage successfully, and you come back and check your profit and loss segment, this profit and loss segment, you will see directly that once your trade hits your SL, let me show you here, right? Once your trade hits your SL, you lose minus 99.93% of your money, right? It means when you hit SL, you'll be losing $1.6397, right? And when it hits your TP, you'll be getting roughly 478.29% of your money, and that is this amount over here. You clearly see this way, you've actually reduced your risks down to know exactly what you're risking. Remember here, it told us to use 0.037, but it's 0.03. So that's why it's not up to $2 here, and that's why here it's not up to roughly almost $10. You get, so basically you can see how clear the calculation is and how you can properly manage what you're risking when trading, right? So if this video is clear enough, that's great. But if it's not clear enough, use the comment section to let me know so I can create another video to explain this concept to you strictly on my mobile device, teaching you straightforward from Bybit. All right, so you can understand it. But using your laptop and your mobile device at the same time will help you get it clear. Or I can teach you everything from your mobile trading view to your mobile Bybit account or your mobile trading accounts that utilize, just for you to understand it. The goal is for you to understand it, not necessarily just watching a YouTube video. And if you actually gain from this video, you know what to do. Kindly subscribe to this community so I can gain more value, and turn on the notification bell so I can be notified when I drop another profitable video. Like this video, share it, join my Telegram community. It's free signals, free setups. I like using what setups mainly because I make sure that you see them as setups to understand why I took the trades. It's more of my trading journal. So join my Telegram community to learn. And yes, I'll be organizing a free crypto class this December with one of my bros in this crypto space. So we're organizing it in our crypto community on Telegram. So join us so I can learn too. I'll be recording classes so you don't miss out too. But just join so I can be there live and direct to learn. Right? I'll be seeing you on X, I'll be seeing you on Telegram, I'll be seeing you here on YouTube in our next video. Bless up. Peace.